this is Joseph Botelho of the Botelho Law Group, and in this video series we are going over what to do in case of an accident or a slip and fall. This video is about what to do at the scene of the accident right after it's occurred. First and foremost, you must think of your health and your safety. Just because an accident has been over does not mean you're not still in danger. Especially if you're in an automobile, don't forget you're still on the public roadways. Your accident may have created an even more dangerous situation for yourself than the accident itself. Or if you've fallen on someone's property, you may still be in a situation where you could get hurt again. So first and foremost, always take stock of your surroundings, what's occurring, and make sure you do not put yourself in a situation where you get further hurt. Another issue is in a lot of serious accidents, you might not realize how actually bad you are hurt. This is due to your body releasing adrenaline or your body going into shock. Many times, because of the effects of adrenaline or the effects of shock, you will not realize how bad your injuries are, and you can seriously further injure yourself in the ways you're moving. So please take stock, make sure you can do any of the things we're going to be discussing further in this video. You do not want to further exacerbate your injuries because you didn't realize how badly you were hurt. The most important part of this video will be the discussion of the preservation of evidence. You've been in an accident, and to be able to recoup from that at home, while you're in bed or in the hospital, you have to worry about your finances. So the way you're going to accomplish that is through a lawsuit against the person who has injured you. But the only time you're ever going to have for collecting evidence of your personal injury is at the time of the accident. There will never be another chance. Too many factors will change after the accident. Cars will be moved, things will be cleaned, debris that has fallen off the vehicles after the accident will be removed, the evidence will be gone. If you're going to ever collect evidence, the only chance you have to do it is at the accident site. Now, thankfully, in this day and age, the vast majority of you have a smartphone, which is accompanied by a camera and a video camera within said cell phone. Imagine that. You've got everything you need to collect the evidence on you at all times. So, what are we going to do with that? When you're going to use your camera, it is very important to take as many pictures as possible of the damage to your vehicle, the position of your vehicles, and any other situations or circumstances or features such as the road, what the intersection looked like, if there are cars blocking you, if there were cars parked on the side of the street which would have blocked your vision, anything on that scene that would be able to help your case in a personal injury lawsuit are important. What's even more important is how you're taking these pictures. You want to take them up close, you want to take them from a medium distance away, and then you want to take them from almost as far away as you can get. These different positions of the camera at the scene will be invaluable to your personal injury lawsuit in the future, in the settlement process, and even more importantly, within litigation in an actual lawsuit. So please take as many photographs as possible from as many different angles of the damage, the placement of the cars, any injuries you can take pictures of at the scene, and if there are skid marks in the road, if there are obstructions, if there are things that would have kept you from seeing what was coming down the road. All of these are extremely important. The second thing you're going to use your smartphone camera and video camera for is to take a video. And do not take a fast video, and please do not move the camera quickly. You have all the time in the world and all the storage in the world on your camera to get more evidence than you will need. So what you want to do is you want to turn on your camera, zoom it out as much as possible. Do not zoom in, zoom out, and actually use yourself to get the distance between what you want to film. Do not use the zoom function. As you zoom in, you're actually losing resolution. So zoom it all the way out so we can have the maximum possible resolution. This is going to be printed out later, so it's not going to be a picture this size. It's going to be on a large screen or on a large bulletin board that's been printed by your lawyer to be used in court. So what you want is the highest quality of both the pictures and the video. So when it's going to be shown later, it can be blown up so everyone can see. So when you're videoing, you want to move very slowly. You want to pan back and forth. You want to catch everything, obviously very slowly. If you can narrate at all what the people are seeing, what you saw, and explain in your own words on the video. That way, when you present it to your attorney, you'll be able to more fully remember exactly why you took that video, what you're showing. Can't do that on pictures, but you certainly can do it on video. And also, if it's being presented, you can always turn the audio off and just have the video. But explaining to the viewer, which will be your personal injury attorney, what they're looking at and why they're looking at it is critically important, so they can review the video without you there on nights when they're going to be reviewing for a trial or right before they speak to an insurance adjuster to attempt to settle your case. Please take the time, get the right pictures, get the right angles, get the right distances. Take the right video encompassing everything that's important from your accident. And of course, as many pictures, as many angles, as many distances as possible. Also at this time, you may see witnesses that actually saw the accident or saw what happened to you on someone's property. These people may not be here when the police arrive. It is critical if you can speak to them and ask for their contact information, so even if they're forced to leave the scene because they have something else to do, you'll be able to contact them later or your personal injury attorney so they can give the entire story and also have a follow-up for the police, and the police will have actual information on how to contact them, and the police can also follow up on them. So, to recap, you got to worry about your health and safety right after you've been in an accident. Be conscious of the effects of adrenaline and shock on your system because you might be more hurt than you actually think you are. Most importantly, preservation of the evidence. Use your cell phone. Use it to take a lot of pictures and a lot of videos from as many different angles and as many different distances as possible. And also, finally, get as many different witness statements. You can do it with your cell phone. Video camera, just get them to say what they've said and also get their contact information. Usually name, phone number, and address is more than that's needed. So, this is Attorney Joseph Botelho from the Botelho Law Group on our video series on what to do after a personal injury case has started, such as a motor vehicle accident or a slip and fall on someone's property. Thank you and have a good day. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell to get future videos that we'll be putting out. And please share our content on social media.